Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna watch how to request your travel history report for New Zealand. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened official immigration New Zealand government site. So they have a section request my information. Now first you need to go through this wizard and find out what exactly you want. So I would like to request or correct information held about me by Immigration New Zealand, because and if you are requesting travel request, this is request. Okay, now what you want: my arrival and departure records. You can select more than one category also, but I won't go into the other things. Arrival from New Zealand. You can start and end date, select, let's say just sample guys. You need to provide your details: ISZ client number, passport number, New Zealand address, supporting document, proof of identity of course. If you want to send additional documents, you can click yes and you can provide. If they don't share the information with you, you want to know why they, then select this, and then you can submit the form, and from there it will go to the next step. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank